What is up, everybody? It is your boy Rigstorations bringing you guys a brand new video. Today we're going to be working on a pair of some Pumas. As you guys can see, we're going to be transforming these into some custom Bapes. It actually turned out really nice. I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step tutorial, showing you guys the materials I used, products I used, some stencil work that I did, and basically that's about it. So hope you guys enjoy. Without further ado, let's get into the shoe. Alright guys, so the materials we will be using are acetone, so we can strip off the factory finish from the shoes. Of course, some cotton balls. I also got some 320 grit sandpaper right here. This is going to help create some pores in the leather. That's going to help the paint seep into it so you can have a better bond. Also got some paint brushes, some custom paint I was talking about. Got some navy blue, and then I just got blue mixed with some whites and gray. So I'm going to take out the laces, and I'm going to use the 320 grit sandpaper and start sanding down this shoe. Next, going to use acetone and cotton balls and rubber on the whole shoe to get rid of the factory finish. Alright guys, now it's time to start painting. We're going to do about like 7 coats of this ice blue. Make sure you guys do a couple light coats at first, and then you guys can move on to some heavier coats after, just so that the paint sticks better to the shoe. You know, we don't want any large, thick, floppy coats, because then the paint's going to just crack like the first wear. So we want these to last, so make sure you guys take your time with this. And if you guys want to purchase some paint, make sure you go to angelusdirect.com. I'll leave the link down below in the description for that. So this is how it should look after 7 or 8 coats. We're going to worry about that later, and we're going to do some stencil work now. Luxray. Alright, so right now we're going to get into some stencil work. I'm getting rid of the pieces of the stencil that I don't need for right now, putting them to the side, and I'm going to use the pieces right here to put them on the shoe so I can get the outline of the Bape head logos. My bad guys, I forgot to mention that you might need some transfer tape to transfer the stencils onto the shoe, or you could just carefully remove them off and place them on the shoe. It should look something like this. Now we're going to take those stencils that we put aside earlier, put them back on the shoe, paint over them, and then do any touch-ups that we need to do. Luxray. Alright guys, so we're almost done. Now we're going to do some freehand camo print. So make sure you guys take your time with this and be very patient, because you want to make sure this comes out very nice. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up. Make sure to leave a like down below, comment on what you think, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also follow me on Instagram at Rigstorations. I'm gonna be bringing some more videos soon, so make sure you guys stay in tune. And until next time, I'm Rigstorations and I'm out. Peace.
I said I'm done. I do not work for free. Nigga, I'm gone. If you can't pay the fee, know my worth. And this shit ain't cheap. Rather count some green than count some sheep. The hustle never sleep. I said I'm done. I do not work for free. Nigga, I'm gone. If you can't pay the fee, know my worth. And this shit ain't cheap. Rather count some green than count some sheep. The hustle never sleep. I said I'm done. Can't stand all the bullshit. Money get it, fuck being a cool kid. Be on my smooth shit. On the go, not on the run. Turn the hood to a mosh pit. Hit the blunt, I'm a Martian. Flow so hot, it's arson. Pockets fat like Cartman. Crush competition like cartons. They also soft like cotton. Smooth till I'm rotten. Get rich, no other option. Gotta watch for them niggas plotting. They wanna put me in a coffin. All my pivot can't take me off it. Gotta stay super cautious. Chase money yo so often. Heart stone cold, no Steve Austin. These streets get you exhausted. It's all about evolving. World gon' keep revolving. You got some problems, solve it. Don't break yourself, stay solid. Be aware, open your eyelids, yeah. I do not work for free. Nigga, I'm gone. If you can't pay the fee, know my worth. And this shit ain't cheap. Rather count some green than count some sheep. The hustle never sleep. I said I'm done. I do not work for free. Nigga, I'm gone. If you can't pay the fee, know my worth. And this shit ain't cheap. Rather count some green than count some sheep. The hustle never sleep. I said I'm done.